My video guide is about removing the online scam associated with the website Softwaretuneuplanding.xyz. Softwaretuneuplanding.xyz is a new malicious website which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer, and then it tries to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. All these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive, and you should not interact with them. You may also see some other misleading pop-ups notifications in the right part of the screen. Very often these pop-ups are pretty filthy and obviously not suitable for some categories of people. Speaking about these pop-ups by Softwaretuneuplanding.xyz, you should not download anything that they suggest. As I said, they promote potentially unwanted programs, and if you interact with them, you will be simply redirected to some other deceptive websites that promote junk software. So, if any programs or applications were mistakenly added, you need to check your applications and remove any items that are suspicious. Finally, my recommendation is that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and this is the way the program looks like. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got several free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer, and pretty soon you'll see the summary of all the threats which were found on your device. The summary of threats will mention the information about threats, their exact names, their exact locations on the system. Based on that summary, of course, you may remove certain threats manually by going to those locations, but I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your Mac always protected and free of any other malware. This scanning will take some time. It may depend on various factors, of course. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, or it may depend on the functionality of your computer in general. So consider the premium license to maintain your Mac always clean and free of other threats.